got this cool iPhone and iPad. So basically, you want to open your iPad or iPhone with your voice. Go to accessibility and settings, voice control. For you, it might be set up voice control. For me, it's on because I've already set it up. Then go to commands, create new command. I'm gonna just put it to tap where your passcode is. Save. Then just say whatever it says, say that, and then on your thing, like look, so it's save. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. See, you can see that. Well, just use it on your iPad passcode and it'll be way better. Bye, guys.